Okay, CLV table leg, door leg number 1. Just given a light sand just to help the next layer adhere because I've left it a bit long and it's gone quite hard. So light sand just helps it to adhere a little bit more. And we're just about to throw another 20 kilos in. 20 kilos! Mamma mia, I tell you. I don't know how we're going to move these things. But never mind, cracking on. Let's get it done. So that was 15. Got another 5 to go in. But first, I'm just going to put some into our shark. Got the shark here. So I've made a mould up for the shark. Great white shark. And I'm going to fully encase this in resin. Then once it comes out of this mould, I'm going to grind and shape the resin so it's only about maybe 5 to 10 mil over all of the shark, and all the way down to about there, like where this joint is in the mould, and then the bottom part will be a bit wider. What the plan is when I do this leg, CLV table leg number 2, in the centre here we're going to have a great white shark cage with divers in it and great whites coming up to the cage. But then here I'm going to have this great white shark, and he's actually going to be coming out of the table. So the resin, it's hard to tell, but say where the yellow line is on the mould, that's where the resin will finish in the deep cast, and then the shark's going to be coming that far out, like he's actually just coming out of the table at you. So yeah, this is going to look really epic, and that's my plan anyway. So I'm going to have a wave that's going to start in here, going to be quite high, coming up, and it's going to be curling over. It's going to be curling over like this, and mostly come all the way up to about here, and then I'm going to hand shape that and get all the effects looking really cool, like a natural wave bending and breaking, and then fill up the back with a deep blue resin, and then maybe put a surfer on the inside of the wave, or a bodyboarder coming through the wave, and I think that will just look absolutely epic. But if my client doesn't want it, that's cool as well, because, you know, I just want to see how I can do this, because I've got some really cool ideas for some other tables, and yeah, I want to do like the ultimate wave as the base of the table, and then have a surfboard done with swamp carry and you know, stuff like that, looking down into the base and breaking wave. So yeah, just lots of ideas. This will be wrapped in obsidian, just like leg number 1. But first off, I've got to get back, get the shark moulded. Rightio, pour in the last 5. What's that? I think saw a little floaty go in there, but I'll put that out later. Lights off. Chillers on. Rightio, so I'm very happy with that. Another 20 kg, that's brought us up to where I want to be. Where I want to be. So the plan now is that once this is set, take it out of the mould, then I make another mould that goes over this part of the waterfall, and then I must actually put another moulding around here, and so I can pour clear, and then clear and a little bit of turquoise here, and just have a nice transition between here and here, so it's got a nice flowing transition. That'll only take 2 or 3 days for that pouring and casting to be done, and then yeah, happy days. Get it outside and do the shaping. Very happy, very happy. Orchids are looking absolutely awesome. Diver's looking pretty cool down there, and it's just a matter of, yeah, demould and shaping, lots and lots and lots of shaping, and then after that we give it a top coat with our high UV product, and that's going to be a bit tricky. Yeah, it will be a bit tricky, to be honest, and then after that lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of polishing.